Hey everybody. So let's say you have an older computer like this one right here and you're looking to upgrade to a more modern system with a bottom mount power supply, and you just don't have the time and patience or money to rebuild your system into a new case that has the power supply on the bottom. Here's a quick and simple way to easily convert your computer into a bottom mount PSU style system. And just like that, we now have a modern bottom mount power supply based computer. You can see a power supply is mounted down at the bottom, and you can see how the motherboard is upside down. The CPU is down near the bottom. You now have a more modern system. You just can't use the DVD drive, but hey, you have a more modern system now with a bottom mount power supply. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.